The SMA Verscan 3650, the world's most mobile A0 Plus flatbed scanner. Easy to transport, simple to set up, and flexible in any environment. Designed for professionals who demand precision and mobility. Seamless integration into any workspace, built to adapt, ready to perform. Lockable wheels and support feet provide both mobility and stability. 24-volt external power with Ethernet, monitor, and foot switch ports included. Operation is intuitive. A large touchscreen makes scanning fast and easy, even with gloves. Engineered for performance, built for long-term reliability. Fast and flexible. Scan A0 Plus in just 8 seconds, triggered by mouse, touchscreen, or foot switch. Choose between classic 2D and enhanced V3D scan modes. Bidirectional scanning speeds up workflows without compromising quality. Adaptable to every original. Swap background plates and use white for transparent materials. Trusted worldwide in libraries, archives, service bureaus, museums, and industry. Open lid scanning for delicate items. Auto crop and deskew included. Freely adjust DPI from quick previews to ultra-high resolution archival scans. Scan more than A0, geometrically accurate, distortion-free, and compliant with industry standards. Delicate artwork? No problem. Scan large originals in one piece with no cutting, bending, or risk of damage. True 48-bit color depth captures rich tones and fine textures, from paint to metallic shine. Virtual 3D technology captures surface shadows and enhances texture detail like never before. A solution for countless scanning needs. From A1 to AAA0, the Verscan lineup covers it all with room to spare. One family, one standard. SMA flatbed scanners deliver unmatched quality, precision, and flexibility for any format, any challenge, anywhere in the world. SMA, digitization at the cutting edge.